So, usually, ang theta kasi, we begin with meditation and then it's like one-on-one conversation, pero our
Okay.
eyes are closed. And sometimes
Oh,
I will open and sometimes I will ask you to stand up para i-trace natin yung katawan mo. May kinesiology kasi yan. Your body knows if you have this belief or not. Whether you
oh.
feel na, ay hindi, wala
Mm.
ako niya, natanggal ko na yan. Pero pag pin-muscle test kita, kapag ang body mo merong ganyan, mag-move forward siya. Pag ang body
Oh.
mo, mafe-feel mo na may walang ganyan, magba-backward siya.
So parang unconscious ano siya na move.
Yes, oo. So,
Body move.
naka-close. Tapos, every time, I will ask you to, I'm gonna give you unconditional love. Kasi this unconditional love is like a battery sa cells natin,
Mm.
sa cells. So, meaning, pag nafe-feel ko na I need to give you something to spike up, bibigyan ka ng unconditional. And then, you will have to say yes. It's like I need your permissions in everything I do. So, either
Okay.
yes, ganyan. So, sige, start na tayo. So,
Yeah.
okay.